War break. Miss. War break for the last throw. 5 minutes and 6 seconds. 6.8 point leads favor of Villa. Rebound by Bongo. Attempted 2 points to good. Rebound by number 15 Ebiogo. Ebiogo to Aquino. Aquino to Pipito. To Brian. Brian number 16. Brian Arevalo. Attempted 2 points, no good. Rebound by number 15, Ebiogo, attempted 3 points, no good. Rebound by number 2, Pipito, follow up, it's no good again. Rebound by Robio. To Christian, short. Rebound by number 16, Brian. No good again. Follow up by Pipito. Another 2 points for Pipito. War break. So good. Look at again. Stepping on the line. Vinjay, pakitakin mo lang yung ano mo. Yun ang mo. Time out nga.